Here is the reigning MVP with the ball moments ago. Jokic and a three by Curry. Here comes DeRozan.
Oh, this is a layup. This is what we call a layup, Kim.
In the corner
That's what we
three.
call a layup.
Get back to that stage and, to finally break through and, Dallas.
A lot of this is here for Trae Young. We're talking with Dirk Nowitzki way outside. Three is put in.